Hello everyone. So again we are here with the assignment of financial accounting and analysis for September 2024 examination, and let's get started towards it. So we come up with the question number 1, that is company ABC, a manufacturing company, is preparing its cash flow statement for fiscal year ending December 31, 2023. The company experienced various inflows, cash, and outflows during the year from its operating, investing, and financial activities. Based on provided data, calculate the net cash provided by the operating activities, investing activities, and the financial activities for the company ABC for the fiscal year ending on December 31, 2023. Additionally, determine the net increase or decrease in cash and cash equivalents for the period. So here we have some data over here, and along with that we have some instructions. So coming up to the answer, that is, we will be starting from the introduction part. The cash flow statement is an essential financial document that provides detailed insight into the cash inflows and the outflows of the company over a specific period. For company ABC, a manufacturing firm, the statement for the fiscal year ending December 31, 2023 is crucial for understanding its liquidity and financial health. The statement categorizes cash flow into the operating, investing, and financial activities, each reflecting different aspects of the company's financial operations. Operation activities relate to the core business function. Investing activities indicate cash spent or received from the investments in assets. And financing activities show the flow from the transaction with investors and creditors. This analysis will be employ the indirect method to calculate the net cash provided by the operating activities, determine the cash. It is only half solved. You can buy our online assignments from makemyassignments.in, or you can write us down on our mail id, that is makemyassignments@gmail.com. Last date of your assignment will be 29th of August 2024. We will be replying you instantly after 1 hour. Otherwise, you can also contact us over our WhatsApp. Or contact number is 9625074462. Coming up on the question number 2, that is DEF Private Limited is considering introducing a new product line. Conduct a cost volume profit CVP analysis on the hypothetical data per unit basis to determine the break-even points and assess the profitability of the new product. Discuss the implications of your analysis or the company's decision-making process. You can present the answer with the help of hypothetical data if required. So we'll be starting this answer with the introduction itself. That will be cost volume profit CVP analysis is a crucial managerial accounting tool that helps with the companies to understand the interrelationship between the cost, volume, and profit. This analysis is particularly vital when a company such as DEF Private Limited considered introducing a new product line. By using CVP analysis, and DEF Private Limited can calculate the break-even point, which is the level of sales at which the company neither makes profit nor incurs a loss. This analysis also aids in understanding the behavior of cost and the impact of various levels of production and pricing on. Coming up on question number 3, that is compare and contrast ratio analysis with other techniques of financial analysis. Provide examples of the situation where each technique would be most appropriate, and discuss the insight they offer to stakeholders in assessing the company's financial performance and position. So its answer will be 3A, and we'll be starting our answer from the introduction itself. As a newly appointed financial analyst in a manufacturing company, preparing an accurate balance sheet for the fiscal year is a crucial responsibility. The balance sheet is a fundamental financial statement that provides a snapshot of company's financial position at a specific point of time. It reflects the company's asset, liability, and shareholders' equity, which collectively portrays its financial health. Understanding and underlying the concept and the key components of the balance sheet. That's all from our side. You can purchase our online assignments by writing us over on makemyassignments@gmail.com, or you can visit to our website, that is https/makemyassignments.in.